morning. We have Sunday morning. I have office day today because I have to climb the money back from Polish guy who actually damaged our dinghy, and it's quite difficult to communicate with him. So I find the insurance company of the boat, and I find the owners. So I'm gonna contact the owners because he, as delivery captain, he don't want to deal with that. So, but I don't care. I have to sort it out. That's the first thing. Then we start to prepare the boat. I think the last time I changed impeller 1.5 years ago. So I think it's because it's not very good weather. I think it's good time to open the engine and look if it's lubricate, and if it's the rubber, if it's okay. I have one spare, so I think just for case I will change it. And if the old one it's still in good shape, I'll keep it as spare. But I want to be sure the engine is good, because we will deal with tidal waters. So we need a very good engine. So Marina here is always busy. It's an industrial harbor mainly. So they're loading some metal. So every day boats coming here. On the meantime, already by email spoke to shipyard in Netherlands. So they can provide the pine wood for me. It's possible in Amsterdam. It's more easy to find the wood. Water filling bag is not perfect, but it's watertight, which is very important. And now I will bring back this metal with the blocks which are connected to boom, and I will seal it, screw it down, and we'll do the last cosmetic, bring some more varnish, and hope will be good. Mission complete. Just starting rain, so it's good. No, there will be no more leaking. So good. It needs some 2 layers more, and we are ready to go. It's not very easy task. There are 2 remorkers. They have to turn this boat to get out from Aviles. But there is Marina already. They have to be very, very carefully. It's quite interesting to see. You don't want to see the bow when you're sailing in this position. Trust me. Oh my god, it's so huge. This week I'm working hard. I think 2 more coats and we are ready for this season. Today I managed, because it was a good weather, maybe you saw it on shorts, I managed to bring the oil on port side. Also for this season I I bring some tar. It's nice, smelly. It's very smelly stuff. Yeah. And I bring some tar as well on the standing rigging, because usually what's happening here, they get rust here, so that if you can't move it afterwards. So I think this tar will conserve it a little bit, so it will be a no rust, which is very good. Yeah. So port side finished. Tomorrow I will move to starboard side. Then I bring one coat of on the house, on the top of the house, and then one coat of Ovatrol D1. It's here. I'm not gonna bring the varnish. I keep it as it is. It's hard. It's okay. It's good, but they needed some attention after, let's say, 1.5 years. So I bring only Ovatrol D1, and there will be no varnish on it. And what is very important here, I have to disconnect the gaff, because you see black spots and varnish spragged, and it start to suck the water in. It's not good sign. So that's the neck project. This I hope I will manage this week. Maybe tomorrow I will disconnect the sail and I will sand it, and I will keep it for 1 day, get it dry. You know, some damage from last season. I need to fix it, because this is let's say very important before we leave. Those black spots, they're not nice. I have to fix it. I need to protect it. And what I have to do, I have to lift, I have to disconnect sail over here and lift the rings with the sail at least 2 meters, because I wanna redo the mast here before we leave, because there are some scratches and it needs some attention, you know, black spots. I don't like it. So this is what I have to do next, and probably I will take everything down, and I will sand it all the way down to deck. Also, you can hear the engine. I changed impeller after 2.5 years. He wasn't very bad, but just for case, I have one spare, so I changed the impeller. So that's done. Now I warm up the engine, and I would like to change oil when it's warm. And technically we are ready to go. Look at that, guys. The boat needs to go out from water in Netherlands. This is my project for this summer, because now it's 2 years, exactly 2 years, and she needs to go out. But here I can see a lot of rust is coming down. I have to open it, clean it, and I have to check. Probably I will change the bolts. Here you can see consequences. Winter, summer, you know, the paint start to peel. I need to redo the signs. Last time I did it in Denmark. Here you can see the hull. See the spray. The paint is not good at all. So will be a big project this season. So maybe I take white paint, I just scrap it a little bit, and I just put the paint only for this voyage from here to Netherlands. I want to protect the wood, and I don't know when I can find the crane to lift the boat again. So you can see here it's a small spots, they need attention. So I think I changed the planks. They too old. They are too old. I think it's not a big job. Just buy the planks, redo it, open it. I can check the wood under what is happening. Usually when boats start to rot, or when you have some sign of bad wood, usually the first they came under those planks. So, but so far she's beautiful. I have still 2 weeks before crew is coming, so I think I can manage that. But the gaff is important. So I start, believe me or not, it's bloody cold here in Spain. But yeah, because there are mountains and the Biscay and everything is mixing here. So sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold. That's what is actually interesting about the North Spain, because the weather is changing quite rapidly. Well, I didn't wait. We had a nice weather today, so I start with the gaff. I need to start from beginning. So I'm sanding to bare wood. I use the 40 grit because I think it's faster than scrap it with a scraper and the heat gun and then sand it again. I have to be a little bit careful because it's quite soft wood. I think this one is pine tree as well. The pine, and it's quite soft, so I can't be on the same place with the sanding machine for long, because otherwise I will make a flat spot. So let's do it. So it's like 10 o'clock evening. I'm done with the 40 grit, so it's bare wood now, and I will leave it tomorrow till lunchtime because supposed to be a lot of sun. So tomorrow I will let it dry. I finish the gaff with the hand sanding. I will go over with the hand sanding like 240, make it nice, smooth. Then we start to bring the coat. Will be good. He he needed, if I leave it like that, next year will be, the wood will be gone. So good. And next one needs mast, but first I have to finish at least 3-4 coats of those. Rest I can do in Netherlands. It's very easy, disconnect the sail, it's 5 minutes work, hand sanding, and just bring the 1-2 coats before winter will be good. Okay, that's all for now, and next episode we continue prepare the boat for Biscay crossing, and crew is arriving, I hope. See you later.